So the slide to type feature may not work on your device, so how do we fix that? It's likely pretty simple and there are a few ways to reset it. Let's get into it. First of all, I want you to open up the settings of your device and then head over directly to the general section. Part of the general is a section called keyboard. And inside of the keyboard, you are able to see the languages and other things. So at first, let's make sure that the slide to type is toggled on. And if it is, we can try it again. Then if that doesn't work, we can switch to a different language. I'm sure that most should work, but if not, try to add the English or some of the more popular language keyboards to see if that makes any difference. Just come back to the keyboard and perform the sliding to see if anything changes. If you have the slide to type enabled and it still doesn't work, perform a simple restart of the iPhone, as it appears that it is a little bit of a glitch of the operating system. If that doesn't fix it, try seeing if there is any new software update available for your iPhone, which could very likely just bring some fixes for features and bugs like this one. And if it still doesn't work, I would recommend you to get a third-party keyboard from the App Store. Some of the good replacements for apparently buggy Apple keyboard include Gboard or Microsoft SwiftKey, and these definitely have some swiping or sliding typing experience. So I would recommend you to at least try out the Microsoft SwiftKey, where you can just install it on your device and set up the keyboard, and you'll be able to slide to type very easily. So these are my fixes and the ways you can actually go ahead and tackle this issue. Let me know below if you managed to get it to work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe so you never miss videos like this one, and I'm gonna catch you in the future.